Ito na po yung aking na-harvest. So, ngayon, ito na yung aking corn. Ito yung iba kong corn. Kalagay lang dyan. Tatanggalin ko pa yan sila ng balat. So, ito yung iba kong corn, oh. Lalagay ko yan siya sa foil para hindi siya masira. Ayan. Ito yung bago kong na-harvest na tomatoes. This is my new harvested tomatoes. And this is the old one. So, I will remove this. I will put here. And then, I will put the new tomatoes here. Yes. And also my paprika, my green bean, my chili, like that. So, fresh na yung ating paprika, tsaka sili. Dami-dami to eh. You know. Dami siya, diba guys? So, 1 week pa yan siya bago masira. Yan na yung ating budget for the whole week. Hindi na tayo bibili ng we didn't need to buy vegetables na guys because we have already in our garden. Yan, ganyan lang yung buhay guys. Magtanim para may ma-harvest, para tayo may makain. Yan. Yun lang ng laman niya. Ito, lagay ko yan sa foil. Ito yung harvest ko. O, see? Give me a thumbs up guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mwah!